Wall Street rose on Tuesday. The Nasdaq rose more than 0.5% to a record high. Driving stocks higher, Fed Chair Jerome Powell's optimistic comments about the U.S. economy and Johnson & Johnson's strong earnings report. For Spila Capital CEO Jeff Tomasulo.
Well, I think he gave investors a little hope that he's very flexible, right? He said he's going to look at the data that's coming in, especially because we have all this trade these tariffs going on, these trade wars we're talking about. So he wants to monitor the situation, and if need be, maybe they'll hold back on raising interest rates, which I guess once they heard that, they were like, hey, green light.
Investors were heartened after Powell said there were several years of strong jobs and low inflation still ahead for the U.S. economy. Powell's upbeat assessment boosted European stocks as well. A drop in Netflix shares capped the Nasdaq's and S&P's gains. The video streaming company's quarterly subscriber growth fell short of analysts' targets. That fan fears that its fast expansion is slowing. Goldman Sachs shares fell. Quarterly profits surged and crushed Wall Street's expectations, and the investment bank named President David Solomon as CEO Lloyd Blankfein's replacement. United Health shares dropped and weighed on the Dow. The largest U.S. health insurer's quarterly medical costs was slightly higher than anticipated.